So with the thermal image camera, you can see which areas of the rear screen aren't working. There's a few lines that are missing, which are going to be broken. So I'm going to attempt to repair those with a little cheap kit of paint over solder, pretty much, and see if we can get these back working again. It's a little bit annoying in the cold weather. Doesn't clear that well. If you get a bit of ice and snow, you struggle to see. So I'm going to try and repair that. But yeah, thermal image camera shows it up pretty clearly. So I'll do a little visual inspection next and see. And this is a Prius, so it's got a little bit of lower glass as well, which appears to be working, which is good. Just take a screenshot of that, and then it'll help me find the broken tracks. So yeah, pretty conclusive. Let's get on and see if I can get it repaired. I marked up all the defective tracks in the rear screen just with a bit of tape, so that once it's all cooled down and I come back to it to repair it, I know which ones to look at closely. Some of them are fairly obvious. There's a break in the track there. Other ones are a little bit tricky to see, very hard to see. Got a lot of reflections here, but the camera's not great. But yeah, there's little areas like that, difficult with the camera to zoom. But yeah, I'll get and examine that and see if I can find where they're all broken and try and fix it. This is the repair kit I'll be using. I will try and remember to put a link at the bottom of the video below, so you can get one for yourself. Just an applicator brush and your silver paste solution. So I'll get on and get repairing. So I put some masking tape either side of the broken lines, and just to make it easier to repair, I've just marked the exact location of the brake. Oh yeah, they're all marked up, ready to go. So I'll get on with that now. So this is the after repair. Hopefully they're all going to warm up. It's looking good already. Yep, even that top part there, it didn't warm up earlier. Yep, that's looking good. So success there.